canvas of your dreams now a reality. This is Mahagun Memorial at Sector 128 Noida, where each apartment has a mesmerizing golf course view. It's a project that offers you terrace gardens, superstructure is ready, and an unbelievable architecture. This is a stunning beauty at JP West Town, and in our today's video, we are going to uncover Mahagun Memorial for you all. So please watch this video till the end. Mahagun Memorial is located inside JP West Town, a renowned township of Noida. This is a bang-on Noida Greater Noida Expressway property with easy connectivity to DND Flyway also. Axis Bank is right inside this township. Apart from that, you have multiple reputed schools, colleges and hospitals in close vicinity. Botanical Garden is around 10 minutes from this location. Indira Gandhi International Airport is around 45 minutes from this location. So this is a prime location property and offers great connectivity with all the major places. This project has been developed in 3.86 acres of land area with 6 towers in total. 2 towers will have 3 BHK unit, other 2 towers will have just 4 BHK unit, and the remaining 2 towers will have CHK units. 3 and 4 BHK units में per floor सिर्फ 2 units रहेंगी and the last 2 towers that will have 5 BHK apartment units will have just 1 apartment per floor. सभी टावर्स का एलिवेशन G+40 फ्लोर का रहेगा, जिसके साथ हर एक टावर में ट्रिपल हाइट एंट्रेंस लॉबी एरिया रहेगा, जिसमें आपको 24/7 सिक्योरिटी मिल जाती है, प्लस देयर इज अ रिसेप्शन एरिया एंड वेटिंग एरिया प्रेजेंट. पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में सिंगल एंट्री एंड एग्जिट गेट रहेगा, जिसमें आपको 5 tiers सिक्योरिटी मिल जाती है. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द टोटल यूनिट्स इन Mahagun Memorial, then there are just 340 units in 6 towers, making this project extremely low dense. एंड उसके साथ साथ अगर हम अमेनिटीज के बारे में भी बात करते हैं तो Mahagun Memorial में सारे अमेनिटीज रूफटॉप एरिया पे डेवलप की गई हैं. Let me tell you about them also.
The Memorial Club will offer the first-class facilities to its patrons. Rooftop infinity pool, sparkling banquet, gymnasium, spas, indoor games, squash court, sky lounges, kids play area and so much more. There's a complete landscape garden at the stilt level with neither cars nor floors. You get chauffeur, 5-star chef services and dedicated concierge desks. Homes come with centralized air conditioning.
And guys, now I am going to give you a tour of the sample apartment. It's a 4 BHK unit in the size of 3465 square feet. Right now I am present in the living space of this very massive apartment. Living space आप check कर सकते हैं. It is very grand in size and has ample space for your guests. Living space के साथ आपको यहाँ पर एक private deck area भी मिल जाता है. Let me tell you one thing, all the balconies of Mahagun Memorial are at least 7 feet to 10 feet wide. You can host small parties in your deck area very easily. So this is the deck area attached with the living space. And guys, this is your foyer space. यहाँ पर रहेगी आपकी main entrance, जिसके बाद आपका रहेगा private lift lobby area, जिसके साथ आपको 4 BHK यूनिट के साथ 2 प्राइवेट लिफ्ट्स मिल जाती हैं, which are right over here. And इसके बाद एक और एंट्रेंस रहेगी. Each floor has just 2 units with 5 lifts. दो प्राइवेट लिफ्ट का कंसेप्ट रहेगा, plus 1 is a service lift. So guys, that was the main entrance, and just adjoining that is the corridor washroom, which is complete and will come with all the sanitary fittings. And इसी के adjoining रहेगा आपका पहला bedroom, which is your guest bedroom. This bedroom has wooden flooring and has an attached washroom. Washroom is again quite good in size. It is very grand in size and comes with all the sanitary fittings and this amazing vanity area. Plus इस bedroom के साथ भी आपको एक attached balcony मिल जाती है. This is a private balcony area. Floor to ceiling height is 11 feet and this apartment comes in semi-furnished stage. And here we are in our dining space. You have a good dining space. Also, this apartment is quite spacious. There's a glass partition over here which separates the living space with the dining area. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो ये glass partition आपको हटा करके भी दिया जा सकता है. and adjoining our dining space is the modular kitchen which comes in finished form. ये पूरी complete form में आपको deliver की जाएगी. That means सारा wooden work आपको complete करके दिया जाएगा. Of course, except the appliances. Appliances को छोड़कर बाकी सारी चीजें आपकी same as it is रहेगी. It is very huge in size. This is your washing area, and just adjoining that is the access to the utility area. You have a very grand utility area also. साथ ही साथ यहीं से आपके पास servant quarters का भी access रहेगा. Your servants can directly access the kitchen area without disturbing you. Guys, that was the kitchen, and here is the family lounge area. इस एरिया को आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग यूज कर सकते हैं. You can either make a family lounge area over here or you can use it accordingly. And this is our second bedroom. That is your master bedroom. This bedroom has a dedicated living space, and here is the main bedroom. Bedroom में again आपको wooden flooring मिलेगी. साथ ही साथ floor to ceiling height is excellent. Ceiling पूरी complete form में आपको दी जाएगी. Wardrobes are not included. Wardrobes आप अपनी requirement and अपनी desires के according customize and design करवा सकते हैं. And here is the washroom, attached washroom that also has a dressing area. यहाँ पर आपके पास again wardrobes का space आ जाता है. Plus shower area has been separated with this glass partition जो कि आपको complete करके दिया जाएगा. And you have an amazing vanity area over here. Plus master bedroom के साथ ही आपको balcony area का access मिल जाता है. This is the same balcony that is common with your living space. This is the same party deck area. So आपके पास ये running balcony यहाँ पर आ जाती है. And on this end are your remaining two bedrooms. Let's check our third bedroom. Guys, this is bedroom number 3, which has an attached balcony and an attached washroom. Again, the interior is superb and size is amazing. Plus, this is the fourth and final bedroom of this very beautiful luxurious property. This bedroom is again in a very good size and has an attached balcony area with it. This is a private balcony. So guys, that was the tour of this beautiful property at Mahagun Memorial. Mahagun Memorial is an ultra luxury property that gives you 180-degree view of the golf course from each balcony. Some of the key highlights of this property are: it is near to possession. First 2 towers will be delivered by September 2025 and next 2 towers will be delivered by December 2025. Remaining 2 towers will be delivered by next year, that is 2026. Architecture of this project is inspired from Europe, so आपको काफी interesting यहाँ पर architecture मिल जाता है. Apart from that, all the amenities are developed on the terrace area. You have infinity pool with the best views of Noida. Plus, it's a very low dense property and you can avail loan from HDFC Bank, Canara Bank and SBI Bank. So all in all, it's a perfect property for those who are looking for luxury living in Noida. So if you're interested in this property and you want to visit Mahagun Memorial, please give us a call on the number present on the screen. And the ongoing BSP at Mahagun Memorial is 16,000 per square feet. Guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है and informative लगी है, then please make sure you hit the like button and please subscribe our channel Reality 360 Degree for more such videos. I'll see you in the next one.